It ain't got no gas in it. French fried potatoes? I reckon I'll have me some of the bacon.
Today we're going to talk about most important part of tractor maintenance. It's going to be the grease gun. Right there got me a Holt Industries professional grease gun. 6,000 psi pressure in there. Reckon it comes with this here short piece and this here flexible line. But right there, you gotta be undoing that all the time to get it on the fitting. So that's no good. This was about $30 Harbor Freight. Get you a head like that. That there clamps right on, but you know that makes it better. But that there is not long enough. So I reckon I'm get me this 48-inch flexible grease hose. 10,000 psi, gun is 6,000, so you're good there. Works with pneumatic guns as well, battery powered. So we're gonna be putting that on there too. But sometimes you got to get into a fitting that there's hard to get into. So another $25 right there. We got 30 for the gun, and we got another 20 for that. That's 50, and then we're gonna be adding another 20 right there. So about $70 right there. Get you that piece right there. Another $20 right there or so, and that lets you get in there good and deep like. Lets you get in there, but then you're right back to that kind of fitting to get into there. So you gotta twirl that thing on there, but at least it lets you get in there. But this will let you clamp right on. What kind of grease do I use? I reckon don't be cheap on your grease. Get you that extreme pressure right there. That's about $6.50 Harbor Freight. Premium red grease right there. That's what you want. Now I suppose you want to see some tractors getting all greased up. I'm going to show you why this is the most important thing that you can do for tractor maintenance. Let's take a look at the fleet. Alright, here's my tractors. Your tractor or tractors may be different, but they're all going to have the same kind of grease fittings, so that's why you're going to want to get a grease gun. We're going to show you how to grease them up. But first, how about we hear them run? That might be more fun. Let's hear them all run. Give them a little bit of warming up there, because it's a cold day. Let them run from the batteries and such. That there sure sounds prettier. Let them run a little bit. Love hearing that island fleet sound. And you see, you got them grease points right there. Right there. Got them LED headlights. 6,000 lumens. Alright, right there. Grease point right there. Look at that beefy axle right there. Alright, right here, this here tractor's his main job is to take care of the road. Got that sling blade on the back. Some folks call it a box blade. I call it a sling blade. We're gonna be putting that on that there tractor soon. Right here, this tractor too also has grease points. Right there. Before I show you how to grease them, also want to show the spindles also have the same kind of grease point. This is Husqvarna deck. Right here on the Cup Cadet, same thing. You got grease point, and you're gonna have grease point way in there for the middle blade. It's got a middle, and both these decks got a middle blade. You got to keep up with the grease on that. Yeah, this mower right here, this ain't a mower anymore, so this don't have a grease point right there. So there's nothing to grease on this one. In fact, this tractor right here is what we call done. It's about done, so we got to get her done and get the other one set up because this ain't gonna live much longer. Right here, this one by the Oldsmobile, this one's dead, so you don't got to grease one like this. If you got one that ain't running, then ain't no point in putting the grease in it. All right, first we're gonna grease the Husqvarna. We're gonna be using the little speed clip fitting here. So let's try to get in there and grease that for you. Well, as you can see, this is blocking it, so you may have to move the steering. Greasing's a simple thing. You just clamp that nice fitting on there and boom, you're done. Then you just squeeze. That's right, squeeze. And you can see all that goodness coming out of there. That's good and greased. That's right, that's good red grease right there. All right, here on the Cub Cadet, you might have a situation where you might want to use the angle adapter. You could let it get in there, or if you have another such tight situation, that would simply clamp on to the other attachment right here. And then you could use that as a swivel and get in there into nice and tight locations. So this is definitely a good part to have on there. Worth $20. All right here I'm gonna show you how to do the mower spindle. Same thing right there. Got a little bit of dirt on there on that red grease. So we're gonna clamp the end of this on there just like that. There we go. Got yourself a good connection. You want to squeeze that grease in there. Them spindles do a lot of spinning. You want to do that greasing after every mowing. That's right, either before or after. Get that grease in there good. You just detach the clamp. You're done. And I reckon that about covers the grease gun. Looks like it's starting to rain. So grease gun, get yourself one. Get yourself a sweet setup like this. And keep them tractors greased.
You see there, Scooter? Things are the simplest things first. You got any biscuits for sale in there?